Hello everyone. So today I'm going to give a makeover to this wooden crate. See, which you usually get at the fruit shop in the market. I actually bought it just for 10 rupees. So I'm going to give it a good makeover using paints, and I'm going to use it to keep utensils in my kitchen. Nothing much is required. I'm just using this black, white and yellow acrylic paint. Alright, because I'm going to use grey color as the base paint. For that I need white and a bit of black. So by mixing together we can have grey color. You can start by adding a little of black, and by mixing it with white you can see what exactly is the shade you would like. If you want darker shade you can add more of black, and so on. You can also check by applying it little. You have to wait till it's dry to actually see the shade, because when it's wet it looks lighter than it is. So only when it is dried up you can see the actual shade. I have already made this color, so I'll start painting it. You can also use enamel paint or oil paint, but then you have to use turpentine oil with it, and that becomes a little difficult to handle. It's totally up to you which one you want to use. You just need a paint which is waterproof and easy to handle. I mostly prefer to use acrylic paints, particularly when I have to cover a small surface. And it dries up very fast also. Okay, so this side is almost done. And the other side I had done earlier, which is dried up now. Now I'll just finish painting the sides of the crate. Always wear an apron so that you don't spoil your clothes. In case you don't have an apron, you can just wear your old clothes. Look at this. I have painted all the four sides of it, and because I'm gonna keep it like this, I haven't painted the bottom. Now I'm going to make a design over it, and it's going to be a very simple design. I'm taking yellow color now and mixed it with water to thin it down. For the pattern, I have taken the leaves from my alamander plant. I'm going to make pattern of these leaves over here, and I'm taking different size of leaves so that it should not look monotonous. Please make sure that you paint the front side of the leaves, this side, and paint well on the edges for good impression. Be a bit careful while removing the leaf. It's important to paint on the front side, because when we try it on the back side, the impression doesn't come out well. I'm using a simple random pattern here which looks more organic and attractive, but you can always go ahead and try the pattern that you would like. So this is how we are gonna cover the whole area with simple and easy to do leaves pattern. If you like, you can experiment with different color combination or different pattern, or you can try different kind of leaves as well. So we are about to be done with today's DIY, and we have turned a waste wooden crate to a useful product. You can use it for different purposes, like to store toys, stationery, even the books, or keeping the utensils in the kitchen like I am going to do. I hope you like this video and will certainly give it a try. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can comment below to share your ideas and feedback with me. Bye you all, and have a creative time ahead.